Well, yes, it's been a rather flat quarter coming in for HUL this time around. If you take a look at the numbers on a standalone basis, revenue has come in at 15,508 crores versus 15,276 crores this time last year, which is an uptick of 1.5% on a year-on-year basis and largely in line with what we were estimating at 15,792 crore rupees. If you take a look at the EBITDA, though, this has taken a surprising cut of 1.3% year-on-year, coming in at 3,647 crores compared to 3,694 crores, which is down 1.3% year-on-year. On the flip side, we were expecting this number to go up by 1% on a year-on-year basis, but nonetheless, the figure is largely in line with what we were expecting. Net profit has taken a cut. It's come in at 2,612 crores compared to 2,717 crores this time last year, which is down 3.9%, almost 4% on a year-on-year basis. We were, however, expecting a cut of 2.2%. The numbers largely in line with what we were expecting. And lastly, EBITDA margin has also seen some shrinkage, coming in at 23.5% compared to 24.2%, down 60 bips on a year-on-year basis. In line with our expectations of 23.8% is where we were seeing margins to be at. Overall, there's been a 2% underlying sales growth and a 3% underlying volume growth for the company in quarter 2. If you take a look at the segmental results, home care has done pretty well. The underlying sales growth has been 8% higher and the underlying volume growth has also been in high single digits. Beauty and well-being, the underlying sales growth, however, has only been 1% and the volume growth has been in mid-single digits. If you take a look at the personal care segment, this has disappointed because the underlying sales growth has gone down by 5%. And the underlying volume growth is also in has also in fact taken a low single digit decline coming in. And if you take a look at the food and refreshment segments, the sales growth is down 2% and underlying volume growth has once again also taken a low single digit decline. But this is what the numbers look like overall. If you take a look at what the management had to say, they say that demand trends will continue to remain stable going ahead. Low single digit price growth will be seen if commodity prices remain where they are. And EBITDA is likely to be maintained at the current healthy levels is what the management has indicated. Now, another important announcement is the separation of the ice cream business that the management has announced. Remember, the ice cream business contributes 3% to the overall turnover of HUL, and this action on this separation will be taken at the end of the year. But overall, well, yes, it's been a flattest set of numbers coming in for HUL in quarter 2.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.